The new Pope is from the Philippines, Cardinal Luis Tagle. He was the first Filipino to become a Pope and maybe the first in Asia also. Outside the St. Peter Church in Vatican, several people are waiting since few days ago, waiting for a white smoke that will come out in the chimney of the church. A symbolic process that inside the church where all the cardinals are gathered and vote for a new pope that will replace Pope Francis. As soon as the white smoke come out of the chimney, the name of Cardinal Tagle was heard to the applause and rejoicing of the people, shouting, "Viva el Papa!" Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. Comment, like, and share. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!